Hello students, I am Suhaiman, Department of Commerce, Visaleshwara College. So, in last class we have discussed the introduction to depreciation. In this class, we'll discuss what is a block of assets and we'll discuss some rates which have been specified for some specific assets. Okay, so block of asset. Block of assets means I have told block of assets means the rate is fixed for some specific assets. Okay, so first building. Building used for residential purpose, the rate is 5%. Buildings for residential purpose, the rate is 5%. Next, buildings used for commercial purpose, the rate is 10%. Buildings for residential purpose 5%, buildings for commercial purpose 10%. Buildings acquired after 31/8/2002, that is 40%. Then wooden structure for temporary building erection 40%. But here in buildings the most important is buildings for residential purpose rate is 5%. Buildings for commercial purpose the rate is 10%. Okay, next furniture and fittings. For furniture and fittings there is only one rate, that is 10%. Furniture and fittings including electricity fitting, that is 10%. For furniture and fittings the rate is 10%. For buildings for residential purpose 5%, buildings for commercial purpose 10%. For furniture and fitting the rate is 10%. Next, for plant and machinery. In plant and machinery means there will be a vehicles also, okay, you keep in mind. So plant and machinery, there is a rate is 15% for plants, okay. For plant means it is a company. For plants and machinery the rate is 15%, but the special rate will be for motor bus, lorries, taxis 10%, 30%, sorry. Motor bus, lorries, taxis used in business 30%, aeroplane 40%. Next, motor car 15%, saving dives 40%. These are all the vehicles. Okay. Next, for books for professional purpose, books, any kind of books, the rate will be 40%. Okay. Books, the rate will be 40%. Next, container made of glass 40%. For computer, any kind of computer or including computer software, the rate will be 40%. Okay. Next, ships. For ships, the rate will be 20%. Keep in mind, for ships the rate will be 20%. Next, life-saving medical equipment. For medical equipment the rate will be 40%. For medical equipment the rate will be 40%. Next, for renewable energy devices the rate will be 40%. Okay. Once again, if you write it shortly, then we can write as for buildings. In buildings, for buildings there are two rates. Here I am writing the most important rates. Okay. Buildings, there are two rates. For residential, building the rate will be 5%. For office or commercial building the rate will be 10%. Then for building there are two rates. Residential building 5%, office or commercial building the rate will be 10%. Next, the most important was furniture and fittings. Buildings we got. Next, for furniture the rate will be 15%. Furniture the rate will be 10%. Only one rate for furniture and fitting, that is 10%. Next, okay. Next, for plant and machinery the rate will be 15%. Okay. For plant and machinery the rate will be 15%. Next, for For motor car, the rate will be 15 percentage. Motor car, the rate will be 15 percentage. Next, aeroplane. For aeroplane, the rate will be 40 percentage. For motor bus, the rate will be 30 percentage. In motor bus, we will get lorries also. Lorries or taxis. Okay. The rate will be 30 percentage. Next, there are easy more, that is books. For any kind of books, I told the rate will be 40 percentage. Next, for computer, the rate will be 40 percentage. For ships, the rate will be 20 percentage. These are the most important block of assets percentage. I have sent you the PDF. You have to by heart all these rates. In my next class, I will show you the pro forma for calculation of block of assets. Okay. So in this class, you have to by heart all the rates of depreciation. So once again, the most important rates were for buildings for residential purpose to 5 percentage, buildings for office or commercial purpose 10 percentage. For furniture, we get 10 percentage. Plant and machinery, we get a reduction in depreciation, that is 15 percentage. For motor car, 15 percentage. For aeroplane, 40 percentage. For motor bus, lorries and taxis, 30 percentage. For books, any kind of books, we get 40 percentage. For computer, 40 percentage. For ships, 20 percentage. Okay. I have sent you the PDF. You have to by heart all the rates of block of assets. In this rate will be used. ಇದೇ ರೇಟ್ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. So I have made a separate video on block of assets. This video, okay. In this you can watch it 2 or 3 times and get to know the special rates for all the asset. Okay. In next class we will see the pro forma for calculation of block of assets. Okay. Thank you.